But I don't waste my time trying to prove that I'm something to see. Ooh, the real ones ain't knowing, the ones that do not, I don't need. Cause most see the vision and I give reasons to believe that I'm honest.
What's up, Jazz Nation? This your girl Jazz Marinette, and I'm back with the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and peace. I'm just flat ironing my hair because the night before I recorded this video, I went out, so I'm going over my roots and I'm going to press my hair out and get it a little bit more straighter than what it is right here. Okay guys, so I'm pretty sure you guys know to do the other side of your hair. Make sure that you straighten it out as much as possible. Make sure your roots are nice and straight. Okay guys, so right here I'm just going to loosen up the curls. I'm going to take my fingers and play with the curls, get it all nice and loose. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope you guys learned something from this video. Hope you guys take some notes, and yeah. So please like, comment, and subscribe.
Got a lot of things on your plate. You got a lot, I mean a lot of things that I just cannot say is quite on my way. You bitches riding on all my waves, but you bitches tired and underpaid. I show